Nobody is talking about this, and I don't know why. Because it's definitely a game changer for anyone looking for how to get free Bitcoin or cryptocurrency without paying money for it. Yes, talking about getting free Bitcoin, free Ethereum, worth hundreds and thousands of dollars without you paying for it. On this episode, I know you may be wondering, is that even possible? Yes, it's very much possible. On this episode, I'm going to show you guys 4 different ways on how you can get free Bitcoins or any cryptocurrency without you paying for it. Yes, follow me guys, let me show you how we're going to do it. And if this is the first time you're coming up on my page, kindly click on that subscription button, which won't take less than 2 seconds to do. Please click on it now and subscribe, then share. The first one is affiliate marketing. This is the process whereby you create a page or a channel and promote Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. In this way, you can promote channels like Luna, Bybit, like Binance, like Passful, like any exchange, KuCoin, any exchange you want. Once you promote such channels, there's what they call referral bonus. Like Luno pays 25 euros for each referral you bring. Yes, and Binance and Bybit pays about $5 to $10 for anybody that signs up using your link. That is why you should create a channel, an Instagram page or TikTok page, talk about cryptocurrencies, then tell people how to sign up, whereby you give them your link. If anybody signs up, you are getting paid. It is as easy as that. And here is a way in which you can get your referral links from Binance or Bybit. Second one is Bitcoin Faucet. Faucet are websites in which you can go and complete survey or tax, and once you are done, they will credit you in cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin. Yes, sound easy, right? Whereby go to the channel, you promote their products, you do the task, you share, people sign up and stuff like that. Once after doing the task, you get credited on your Bitcoin. It's as easy as that, guys. And here is a website where you can. Yeah, guys. Once you come, search the channel alchemy.com. Once you're already on the website, these are the forecast website that pays you. Polygon pays. Okay, so once you are free, just come and search it. You click on any of them and do the tax. Once you have finished doing the tax, you will get paid. It's as easy as that, guys. Free Bitcoin. This is how I get. Once you have done the task, you get paid. Click on it. They tell you what to do. They come, you read about it, and yeah, good to go. Look, guys, and our third one is crypto staking and lending. Before you can do this method, you must have gotten like some amount of cryptos already, because this amount of you taking your crypto in order to get a little amount at the end, like an API. Like now, if you go to a website like Binance or Bybit, or you can stake, or KuCoin, you can stake your cryptocurrency and get like 9% APR, 10% APR, 15% APR, depending on the cryptocurrency you are staking. And this is how it's been done. It's quite easy and direct. The last one but not the least, kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, is accepting payment as form of Bitcoin. When I'm talking accepting payment as form of Bitcoin, this is where you offer services, just like maybe digital services or digital services online, or when you sell a product online and your form of payment is cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. So it's as simple as that. Maybe offering like tech job, digital services, editing, logo design, web design, so many, copywriting, voiceover. And once you are done and the person asks you which more can pay you, give person your Bitcoin address or your cryptocurrency address. So it's just that. Hope you have learned one or two today, and don't forget to use the link to check out all these how you can get free cryptocurrency today. Thanks for watching.